Hi guys, I am just going to go over Math 10-7 with you today. It's not really anything new. We're just going to review area that we did last week or the week before. So if you remember, area is how much is inside of something. So if you were measuring your yard to do grass or something, that would be area. Perimeter goes around the outside, area is what's on the inside, okay? So what you're doing today is actually kind of fun. I like this. I like when we do this in class because everybody gets to see what everybody else's was. So in your math journal, you're going to turn to 249. It should say the area of my footprint. And that's what you're going to do today, the area of your footprint. So you are going to trace your foot the best you can on that paper. If you have a shoe on and it doesn't fit on that page, take your shoe off. You might have to go diagonal with your foot for it to fit. If a little bit hangs off, not a big deal. But most of the time, everybody's foot fits on there. So you're going to trace your foot and then you are going to count all the little squares inside to find the area of your foot. Now, when you're finding the area of your foot, I know not all of the boxes will be completely filled up. So your rule of thumb is going to be if you think the box is more than halfway filled, then you're going to count it. Okay, don't worry about if it's not exactly half, you decide. If you think it's more than half, count it as a square. If it's less than a half, you're just not going to count it. Okay, and in the end, it'll pretty much equal each other out. So you're just going to go around, and I would highly suggest you number your boxes, or else you're going to end up losing track of which ones you've counted, or if you get distracted, you're going to have to start over. So it's easier if you just put numbers in them so you know if you've counted that box or not. There's no specific way you have to number them, just as long as you can keep track of how many boxes you've counted. And then at the bottom, it just says the area of my footprint is blank square centimeters. Okay, each box is a square centimeter. So you just have to write down how many boxes you counted when you were doing the area of your foot. So kind of just a fun experiment that you can do. When you are done with that one, you are just going to do math boxes on 252. And this, again, should just be review things that you have done before. I'm looking at it real quick. Yeah, everything on here looks like you have done it before, so this page should just be review. So kind of just a fun activity and some review for today. So have fun and can't wait to see what the area of everybody's foot is. Have fun.